Alright, this is simple data plotter. First thing we're going to do is go into the spreadsheet, select the example data, and delete it and enter our own data, our experimental data. These are the X values, and here come the Y values. Let's type them in. It's already trying to make some plots for us as we enter the data. Let's go ahead and title each one of these columns. Temperature is the X variable and volume is the Y variable. Okay, let's change the title, and that's always going to be in the format Y versus X, so in this case volume versus temperature. Now we can change the axis titles. The Y will be volume, and we always want to give the units. In this case it's milliliters. For the X title, it will be temperature in degrees C. Alright, just click off into the white space to refresh it. Looks pretty good. Let's make the y-axis manually scaled. We'll change the minimum value to 3 so to use more of the space available. Alright, then we can, if we right click on our chart, we can move it to its own page for printing. That's it.